How to follow people in Roblox. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to follow people in Roblox. The first step is to open or launch the Roblox application on your mobile device, just like you can see here. Once you land on the homepage of Roblox, scroll through and open any game that you are interested in. On the game page, continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom section of the page. From the options available, make sure you tap on the one named Developer. This will take you directly to the page of the developer who created the game. Wait for the page to load completely, and once it loads, you will see the developer's profile. To follow them, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots icon. A small menu will pop up, and from it, tap on the option named Follow. Once you do that, you will successfully follow the developer. In some cases, depending on how the account is set up, you may not be able to follow the developer as an individual. Instead, you will get a page that asks you to join the developer's community, which is another way of staying updated with their content. Whether you follow them directly or join their community, you will be able to see updates, new game announcements, and other content they share. The process is that simple and only takes a few seconds if you follow the steps carefully. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to follow people in Roblox.